How to share contact card on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to share contact card in iPhone, first things first, you'll have to open up your phone, and then once you open up the phone app, go to contacts. There you'll see my card option on the top. Tap on it. Now there you'll see contact photo and poster. Tap on it. Next, make sure that name and photo sharing is toggled on. Now you'll see options for sharing your contact photo and name. Now you can choose how you want to share your contact card. If you select share automatically, everyone will receive your contact poster within 6 to 12 hours. Now, if you change it to always ask, then this way, whenever you're in app like messages, you'll be prompted to share your name and photo. When you're ready to share, just tap on share and a contact card will be sent to the person that you want to send it to. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.